Hey, what's up, grub toes? I'm just kidding. That's a mean one. You're not that. Want to share this cool clip of a copepod releasing the eggs, or the eggs hatching off of the copepod. Look at that little baby. Bam! Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Let's talk about it. So, copepods are a type of nearly microscopic crustacean found all over the world in freshwater and marine ocean water, brackish water as well, which is a mix between the two. The mama copepod will hold on to these eggs for about 1 to 2 days, and that will vary based on species and things like temperature. Typically, a little bit warmer makes them hatch faster, colder is slower. Once fertilization occurs, the female copepod will create the eggs and then form a membrane around them to protect them from the outside environment and make sure they don't go like bouncing off too early. And in this clip right here, you can see the eggs actually were released from the egg sac. They kind of broke off through that rapid movement, but they didn't hatch right away, so that might be a little problematic for those eggs. Either they hatched shortly thereafter or they were eaten. Yum, yum, yum. Within some species of copepods, the female may generate dozens of eggs. In other species, they generate hundreds. That's a lot. It's a lot to deal with. I'm out on that. No thanks. Could you imagine if we just laid hundreds of offspring off our sides and then they just like started breaking out and crawling around? There'd be so many people. There's so many now. There'd be so many more. And I don't know. That doesn't sound good to me. And now I know you're saying, whoa, Mike, how do they survive over winter temperatures and the pond freezing? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Well, don't worry. They lay diapause eggs, which are eggs that have a tough shell around them, and they essentially are protected from freezing temperatures or desiccation, which means being dried out. Desiccation's a pretty awful word, isn't it? I don't really like that one. Most species of copepods are detritivores, meaning they eat decomposing plants, decomposing animals, and animal waste. Yeah, that dookie. It's kind of, somebody's got to do it, okay? And I'm not going to be doing that. You're not going to be doing that. So let's let the copepod have its time in the light. Beautiful organism. I absolutely love it. Beautiful microcrustacean. Hooray. I think it's interesting, too, that these very minute, simple creatures, I'm going to say it like that, these crustaceans carry around their eggs and somehow take care of them for a little bit before they got to deal with the big old angry micro world. Wild stuff. I know I had fun, and if you didn't, oh, shucks, dang it. Well, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.